Boil and mash 5 to 6 medium potatoes. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of pomegranate powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 3 chopped spring onions and 2 chopped green chilies. Mix well. Wet your hands and make patties. Cover patty with wholemeal flour. Shallow fry till golden brown. Turn over carefully, they might be a little brittle. Enjoy with ketchup or try our mint mango chutney.